Третий класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Время для игр. Страница 124-125. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. Playtime. Page number 124, 125. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 124. 124. Exercise number 1. Read and complete. Прочитайте и запомните. Playtime. Here's our program. Monday. Make toys. Tuesday. Play games. Wednesday. Read stories. Thursday. Watch cartoons. Friday. Sing songs. The answer. Hello, can I help you? Oh yes, please. My children want to enjoy playtime. What do you do every day? Well, on Mondays we make toys. What do you do on Tuesdays? On Tuesdays we play games. Do you read stories on Fridays? No, we sing songs on Fridays. We read stories on Wednesdays. I see. Do you watch cartoons on Thursdays? Yes, we do. Oh, good. My children love cartoons. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Lulu's week. Look and say. Неделя Лулу. Посмотри и расскажи. She goes to school every day. He watches TV on Sundays. Lulu drinks milk every day. Lulu drinks milk every day. She plays tennis on Wednesday and Fridays. She watches cartoons on Fridays and Saturdays. She eats vegetables every day. She reads a story on Mondays and Tuesdays. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 125. 125. Exercise number 3. Listen and repeat. Chocolates. And the children like chips, chocolate cakes, and Coke. The city mice are dancing in a circle. Послушайте и повторите. Chocolates And the children like chips, chocolate cakes, and Coke. The city mice are dancing in a circle. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Copy the table and complete it. Children, city, juice, chair, carrot, cookie, rice, black, cheese, music, pencil, dark, chips, jacket, computer, sock. Скопируйте таблицу и заполните ее. The answer. K. Carrot, cookie. Music, computer. S. City, juice, rice, pencil. K. Black, dark, jacket, sock. Ch. Children, chair, cheese, chips. My dear friends, do exercise number 5. Let's play. What do I do on Mondays? Do you play tennis? Давайте поиграем. What do I do on Saturdays? I play tennis on Saturdays. Do you play basketball? Yes, I do. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance.